The watch face is one of the most prominent UI components of Wear OS by Google. As a developer, you can create your own custom watch faces and share your creations in the Google Play Store. I am François, and I will walk you through the high-level design and development steps of a watch face. To kick off, let's take a look at the different components of a watch face. At its most basic, a watch face is an expression of style and provides a way to tell time. Beyond this, there's also what we call complications. It's a traditional watchmaking term denoting areas of the watch face that show information other than time. In this example, the watch face is showing the date. With Wear OS by Google being a connected platform, watch face developers can take full advantage of data supplied by the system itself or other apps installed on the watch. This enables watch face developers to display bite-sized information right from the watch face, such as the current temperature or other information that the user chooses. Although supporting complications is technically optional for watch face developers, we have seen strong user demand for this feature, and it is very much recommended. Lastly, Wear OS has two modes of operations: interactive mode and ambient mode. In interactive mode, the user would expect the watch face to be in full color and ready for user interaction. In ambient mode, the watch face should light up no more than 5% of the screen pixels and should avoid solid blocks of color to prevent screen burn-in on OLED display. In addition, the screen is not expected to be updated more than once a minute, so remember to remove any indication of seconds while in this mode. Now that you have a design, it's time to start coding. The easiest way to get started is to create a new project in Android Studio. Select Wear OS as the form factor and select watch face. After you have completed the setup wizard, you will have a startup project with a functioning watch face that you can customize. In the generated code, I would like to highlight three methods that developers should pay particular attention to. The first one is onSurfaceChanged. This method is run once at the start of watch face creation, and it has access to the screen dimensions. As a result, this is the perfect time to resize any bitmap you might have or adjust the size of your watch face features. The second method is onDraw. This is where the watch face rendering code lives, and it runs every time a frame is drawn. As a result, you should pay attention to its performance. Avoid expensive operations such as loading and resizing resources. Last but not least, onAmbient mode changed. This is called whenever the watch face enters or exits ambient mode. You can use this method to change and swap paint objects before rendering the screen. As we mentioned before, Wear OS complications are a powerful way to help the user stay connected by providing bite-sized information on the watch face. We have a suite of APIs to enable your watch face to connect to external data sources and help you render them using complication drawables. To find out more, follow this code lab. With great power comes great responsibility. Watch faces are one of the most prominent UI components of the Wear OS platform. At the same time, this means your watch face will very likely be run for most of the device uptime. Any inefficiency or errors will severely impact battery and user experience. Before you publish your watch face, please use it extensively for a long period of time to catch any issues. Pay particular attention to when the watch is in ambient mode, that it is not doing more processing than it needs to. Any rogue code could severely impact battery life. Watch faces offer an opportunity to create something very personal, and there is something special about seeing your own watch face for the first time on your Wear device. Why not sit for yourself? This might just be the wearable platform for you.